What do we have here?
Hello.
It's interesting.
Wow, he looks like he's just eaten something very large. And is now waddling off.
What is that? Very large pectoral fins with maybe a parasitic copepod attached. That long yellow white string. Is this chiasmodon? Is this a black swallower? Wow. Somebody from the mainland may be able to help us on this.
The food is so good on this ship, that's how I look every time I leave the galley.
I'm guessing that's Chiasmodon niger. Why don't we look that up?
Let me know if I...
Lauren Jackson is saying yes.
And, you know, it's interesting because that is one of the fish that I learned about when I was a kid. There was a Life magazine series called The World We Live In, which had these wonderful fold-outs of different environments on Earth, both terrestrial and marine. And there was one that included the deep sea. And I remember Chiasmodon niger, the black swallower that could consume prey significantly larger than itself and expand its stomach. That was very cool. I did not expect to see that at all.
Oh yeah, look at this picture on Google. Amazing. I wish we could pop that in a CT scanner.
What's that? There's something big there, yeah.
Whoa. It looks like a big rat. I can't see you from.
He's huge.
Big rat tail.
Yep.
Wow.
No,
Yeah.
a chimera.
No, it's
No,
a
it's a
chimera.
chimera.
It's definitely a chimera.
You zoom
Look at
on
the
that?
fins.
It's another butterfly fish.
Wow. Yeah, he's a good size. Wow, yeah, that's the big. That's bigger than the ones we usually see, isn't it?
He's having a bad day. He's been to the bar.
Wow, look at that. Jeez.
Oh, I think he has parasites. Oh, you
Does
can see
he?
the parasites coming off of him. Oh, it's gross.
Yeah, he doesn't look too
Look very good.
healthy. Look at his eyes.
Remember, his
he's
eyes
pretty
aren't
big.
actually
blind now.
eyes.
Oh.
Oh, that's terrifying.
Boy, that is. I know.
Whoa.
That is
Look at him.
terrifying.
Scary
He's gonna haunt
looking.
you in
He's
dreams
so
tonight.
creepy.
That's
That looks
awesome.
Prehistoric.
Do you
Spell
see the
chimera.
electrodes on
Look,
his face?
yeah, he looks like he's smiling.
What are they?
They're like
electrodes?
sharks. You
Are
know,
they
like what
really?
sharks
I hope you're
have?
getting screenshots. Do
It's
the
like a
spell
Joker
chimera.
smile with those.
CHIMAERA or EARA?
A-E-R-A, I believe.
EARA, there you go.
Yeah, boy, that definitely looks prehistoric to me.
Alexandra.
Alrighty.
Having a.
That's
said
great.
this is a
Thanks,
dream come
guys.
true.
Nice.
That dude is... That was... yeah.
That was. Wow.
That was